What's the story with this parking ticket?
So it wasn't just a parking ticket. I also did get towed.
I see you parked in handicap.
I did, but I did make a mistake, but I also was kind of in a rush. Oh, so let me explain. I'm the primary caregiver of my grandmother, and I was dropping her off at a doctor's appointment, and I did park in the handicap spot, although usually that would be no problem, but I was running a little bit late that day, and I did forget to take the play card out of the glove compartment.
Okay.
So I did forget that, but we still do have, you know, the international minivan sticker on the license plates on the back of the cars.
Okay.
So that was still up, but I did forget the card. So after I dropped her off, I came back out and the car was towed, and I did receive a fine.
Well, I want to make sure I'm understanding this correctly. You dropped your grandmother off at her doctor's appointment. You
Yes.
parked in the handicap spot. You're running late, so you rushed to get her from the car to her appointment. And then you remembered that you didn't put up the placard, and you came out, and by that time the car was gone.
Yes, it was. I just dropped her off, and then I realized, like, in the haste of things, I just left it in the glove compartment.
Okay,
So
but you do have a placard.
I do.
Okay.
I just hadn't displayed it that day.
You said something about you are the primary caregiver for your grandmother. Did I hear that
am.
correctly?
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay, are you the only grandchild? Are there other grandchildren?
I'm the only one involved.
What does that mean, you're the only one involved?
I live in the area, and it just has worked out better that way.
Okay.
We are very close. It's not a obligation or anything, but I definitely am her only.
All right.
caregiver.
Let me ask you this question. Your grandmother, obviously, she had to have a child. Does she have other children besides your parents?
Some of them have passed, and again, it just works out better this way. Like I said, I'm just definitely supposed to be the only one taking care of her, and I'm the best option with what the rest of the family that I do have left. Would be the best.
How much was this? Is this 400? Let's see here. The ticket is $450.
Yes.
Give me a second. Give me 1 second. You also have a $180. I'm assuming that's the cost of what it takes to get the car out of the tow yard, the 180, or is that 120?
Well, that was the 420. This was an additional
Okay.
180 on top of that. I've already paid the 420, but I still do have an outstanding balance for the 180 parking ticket that I have.
So the totality of this is going to cost you $600.
Yes.